Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to find saved reel on Instagram app. So let's say that you save reels on Instagram, for example. Okay, so I save this reel. Okay, so I save this reel, and later I want to find where is the reels that I've saved before. So what you need to do is you just need to click on your profile icon and click on the three lines at the top, and here you'll find the saved option. Just click on that. Okay, here at you'll find at the saved page, you'll find the the posts or reels that you saved before. So you just need to click on all posts right here. Okay, so that it is the reels that I've saved before, and also the other reels or posts. Okay, so I think that's all. That is how you can find saved reels on Instagram apps. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please do click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.